Welcome to 41 Mystic Avenue, a fully renovated 2-story 2-bedroom home with a separate self-contained 2-bedroom lower-level apartment within the Oakridge neighbourhood of Toronto, with both units available for lease. The painted brick exterior is set against dark-colored trims, siding, and a new front door with new outside lights, which opens into a foyer with a hardwood bench seat and a hardwood slat wall that gives the space an openness to the living room. Just off the foyer is a home office with a wood and metal shelving unit, while its live-edge sliding door gives it privacy from the main entrance. The adjacent coat closet has an interior sensor light, and throughout this and the upper level are 3/4-inch hickory hardwood or porcelain-tiled flooring, LED pot lighting, new interior doors, upgraded trims and baseboards, while all the windows are quite large in size, allowing for an abundance of natural lighting. A steel beam stretches across the ceiling, and in both the dining area and the foyer are vintage light fixtures original to the home. The stunning modern kitchen showcases a center island with a deep stainless steel undermount sink, contemporary cabinetry with undermount lighting, a backsplash tiled in a herringbone design, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. The dining area showcases a custom hardwood corner bench seat, and just off the kitchen is a sliding door walkout to a backyard with a patio area and garden beds. The laundry room has a front-load washer and dryer, an extra deep folding counter, and a wall of cabinets for storage, while the well-appointed powder room features a pocket door entry, a heated floor, and a vanity with wood counter, vessel basin, and a backlit LED mirror. The staircase to the upper level is original to the home and has been updated with refinished pine treads, a hardwood slat wall, and a hardwood handrail, with a glass-paneled railing along the upper hallway. Just off the landing is a linen closet with a sliding door of reclaimed wood, and above the washroom's pocket door is a large transom. This beautifully appointed space showcases a heated floor, a porcelain-tiled bath area with a soaker tub, rain shower, glass wall, and a niche with LED lighting, built-in toiletry shelves, as well as a vanity with integrated basins, a modern vanity light and mirrors, as well as under-cabinet lighting. The 2 bedrooms are quite spacious and have vaulted ceilings with reclaimed wood beams and accent lighting, while the master bedroom additionally features modern sconce lighting. Fully renovated and mechanically updated to code with permits, this home's 2 legal units are completely self-contained, with both having their own hydrometers and hot water tanks. And the home is also equipped with a surveillance and security system, is Cat 6 wired with coaxial outlets in all the bedrooms and the living rooms, and the driveway can accommodate parking for up to 4 vehicles. The lower-level unit has many of the same features as the main unit, including 3/4-inch hickory hardwood flooring, LED pot lighting, new interior doors, as well as upgraded trims and baseboards, and has its own separate entrance from the backyard. Beyond the new entry door is a porcelain-tiled foyer with a coat closet, and the stairs leading down to the living spaces is also original to the home, and features refinished pine treads and a new hardwood handrail. Its laundry room has a front-load washer and dryer, as well as access to storage, and the bright kitchen area, which is open to a good-sized living room, showcases quartz counters with breakfast seating at the peninsula, a vintage light fixture that is original to the home, contemporary cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting, a subway tiled backsplash, a stainless steel undermount sink, as well as appliances including a microwave and stainless steel dishwasher, fridge, and oven. All the windows for this unit are new and oversized, both bedrooms are quite spacious, and a hallway closet just outside the washroom has an interior sensor light. The beautifully appointed washroom showcases a pocket door entry, a heated porcelain-tiled floor, a porcelain-tiled bath area with a glass wall, a wall niche, a deep soaker tub, and a rain shower, as well as a contemporary vanity with integrated basins, LED backlit mirrors, and under-cabinet lighting. Many prime amenities are minutes away, including bus, subway, and GO train service, banking, medical, and professional services, a wide variety of convenience, grocery, and specialty retailers, as well as entertainment venues and restaurants.